वेलकम टू माय चैनल लर्निंग एकेडमी क्लास। माई सेल्फ ईशा और आज का टॉपिक है व्हाट इज हार्ट, हाउ मेनी चैम्बर्स आर देयर इन हार्ट, शेप्स एंड साइज ऑफ हार्ट, सिम्टम्स ऑफ हार्ट डिजीज, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प टू बी अ हेल्दी हेल्थ. So let's start our first topic, heart. Our heart is a vital organ. It is a muscles that pump blood to all parts of our body. The pumped our heart provides our body with the oxygen and nutrition in need to be a function. Our heart is about the size of clenched fist. As we close our hand, its fist-like structure. The weight between a normal body it is 300 and between 415 grams. It lies between our chest slightly on the left hand side. It is not between the both left hands, it is slightly on the left hand sides located. If you are the average body weight and size, your body contain about 5 liters of bloods, of which passes through our heart every minute or so. However, when necessary, such as during exercise, when we exercise and run, our heart can pump up to 4 times that amount per minute. When we do exercise and when we play something, our heart pump 4 times greater as a normal body. Our heart is four chambered. It is divided into four chambered. Our heart has a right and left side separated by a wall called the septum. This wall separation is called the septum. Each side has a small collecting chamber called the atrium, which lead to into a large pouring chamber called a ventricles. And there are four chambered, the left atrium, this one left atrium and right atrium is called a upper chambered, and this is left ventricles and right ventricles called a lower chambered. The right sides of our heart collect blood on its return from the rest of our body. This right side of the heart collect blood from the all our body. This right atriums. The blood returning entering the right side of heart is low in oxygen. Our heart pump the blood from the right side of heart to the lungs so it can receive more oxygen. Once it receives the oxygen, the blood return directly to the left side of our body heart, which can pump it on gain or all parts of our body through the atria, and that is also called the aorta. This atria also called the aorta. Next, the atria are separated from the ventricle by the atrioventricle wall. When atria and ventricles are separation, this atrium on right hand side and ventricle separation called the atrioventricle. The tricuspid wall separated by the right atrium and left ventricles. The mitral wall separate the left atrium and left ventricles. Two valves also separate the ventricle from the large blood vessel that carry the blood leave the heart. The pulmonic valves is between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery, which carries blood between the lungs. The aortic valve is between the left ventricles and the aorta. This left ventricle and aorta which carries the blood from other. So let's see symptoms of heart. What is the symptoms of heart when it's feel about heart? The symptoms of heart disease depend on the type of disorder, but many include that like chest pain, tightness in the chest, shortness of the breath, irregular heartbeat and visually fast and slow heartbeat and light-headedness and fatigue. It is generally arise after the age of 30 years in a human being. It is common in some peoples. So every we want to check up our heart for every 2-3 months when they are below the about the age of 50. Next, how can I help my child healthy? To keep your child heart healthy, encourage plenty of exercise. Do exercise, run daily, run in the morning, offer a nutritious diet, eat green vegetables, help your child reach and keep a healthy weight, go for regular medical checkup, check your heartbeats and pulse, tell the doctor about your familiar history of the heart problem because it's go from the genes to genes. So thank you very much. I hope so you like this video.